Everyone, welcome back to WP Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how you can do SEO of your website without paying to anyone and using a free plugin. So you just have to follow the steps and just watch this video complete. So you don't need any coding knowledge or you don't need to be a developer. So before starting the video, just subscribe my channel and like this video so I can create more videos for you. So let's go to plugins, click on add new. Just search for rank or you can type rank math. Now click on install now. Now just click on activate. After the activation, just go to rank math, click on dashboard, just go to setup wizard. So on this page you have to select easy. If you don't know coding, if you are not a developer, so this option is best for you because rank math will do most of the things for you automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Just click on easy. Then you have to simply go on next step, your site. You have to select this option according to your website. You have a store, if you have a blog website, then you can select the options according to your need. Then you can upload a logo for Google. If you want to use your website logo, then you can leave it. Then click on skip step. If you do any changes, you have to save and continue. So on next page, we don't need to connect account. You can simply skip this step. Okay, on the other step, all the settings are done for you. Simply you have to just check if you need any change, then you can change. Otherwise you have to skip and continue. On this step, so these are the settings which rank math is automatically providing you in this easy option. So you don't have to change the settings, but if you need to change any according to your needs, then you can change. So simply you can skip step. So on the final step, we have to go to return to dashboard. If you want to do any changes, you can again go to options by clicking on this button. Now I will go to dashboard and I will show you on WordPress dashboard settings. So if you have to do any specific setting, you can simply select the option from these blocks. And for blogs post, you can go to title and meta title. You have to select or check that the index option is checked or not. So this option, if this option is checked, it means that your post and your blogs will be indexed on Google. If you will check on this, they will your rank math will not index your blogs or post on the Google. So you have to always check this option. So for post, you can simply go to post option. On post option, you have to select the type of the post. Here, article, blog post, news article, you can select the category according to your needs. So you can check the options for landing pages, you can check the option for your simple pages. So these are the basic settings you need to do in rank math if you are not a developer and you don't want to pay anyone for this simple task. You just have to select easy and then you have to check the settings, and if you want to do any modification, you can check uncheck the options. So this is the rank math SEO plugin for you. It's really simple and useful. We also use this plugin on our most of the websites. So if you have any query, you can ask me in comments. If you want me to do a task, you can contact me. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. I will create more videos on different plugins and on WordPress websites.